Do you want to know how you can choose the assistant language in Google Gemini? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can choose the assistant language in Google Gemini. Go ahead and open Google Gemini, which is on your phone. Tap on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand side, and click on settings. You can see languages for speaking to Gemini. Tap on it and you can see there is only one language selected currently. To add language or to choose the languages, you can tap on the language and you can see that it will reset, and now you can speak with Gemini on the desired language. To change it again, go ahead and click on your profile, go to settings, and you can see this globe icon. Tap on the globe icon and you can see the language selected. Tap on it and scroll a bit up or down to choose the language of your choice, and you can see that it will reset again. Open Google Gemini and there you go. This is how you choose assistant language in Google Gemini. You can even add the languages by clicking on add a language, and there are a lot of languages to choose from. Go ahead and choose one and you can see that if you tap on it, you can change the language. So this is how you choose assistant language in Google Gemini. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.